Megan.
Hi.
So I thought it would be really fun to do a video today on our veggies, because most people don't realize that you can actually plant veggies in the winter. And so what kind of plants should I be planting? What kind of veggies should I be planting in the winter? And why is it so beneficial to plant in the winter time versus springtime?
Any veggie that's in the family of mustards and lettuce and peas is a great veggie to have in the winter. They really thrive in the cooler climates and they'll do really well. So your spinach and lettuce and cabbage are really good ones to have in your winter gardens.
So what time frame are we looking at to plant the veggies and the herbs into my garden?
For winter veggies, the time to plant them is any time from the end of November to the end of February.
How much care does winter veggies need?
So your things like lettuce and kales and root vegetables shouldn't need that much care at all. They'll do really well with the winter sun and with the cooler climates because it'll keep them moist for longer and they'll be very good. But things like herbs will need a little bit more care. You'll need to take them and prune off their flowers just by pulling them off. This is basil, because that will keep them more flavorful for longer. That's what we do. And they are also a little bit more frost tolerant, so using some frost cloth or something, or bringing them inside if they're in a pot during the winter, is a great option for them.
So what happens when it freezes?
Most of your winter veggies will be able to handle it and it'll come back very fast. Something like your basil or your oregano might need a little bit more time or need to be brought back inside.
Can I grow my winter veggies in containers, or do I need to plant them directly into the ground?
You can do either. It depends on the space that you have. A lot of veggies will do really well in containers. And things like peas and stuff, they might overgrow the pot, but as long as they're trellised, they should be fine.
Do winter veggies taste different?
A lot of winter veggies are noticeably sweeter in the winter. Things like carrots and Brussels sprouts convert starches into sugars during the winter because of the cold, which makes it a better time to plant them.
How long before I can see a harvest?
Some things like lettuces and radishes will grow really fast and be able to be harvested with only a few weeks. But something like Brussels sprouts and broccoli, they might take a little bit longer. But regular harvesting encourages more growth.
So Megan, what's great to plant this week?
Things like lettuce, kale, spinach, or radishes are great to plant this week. And if you need help figuring out what's good for your space, you can come to Waterwise and we'll do our best to help you.
What's one fun fact about winter veggies?
Some winter veggies, like garlic, actually need the cold to produce big, strong bulbs and give you a good spring harvest. Winter's always a great time to plant your garden. Come to Waterwise and we'll help you get your garden all set up and ready to eat.